In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the eraser tool on Adobe Illustrator in a smart way and also how to get it done quickly and effortlessly. So without adding much ado, let's jump into the tutorial. This is Sri from Doodlistry. Before we start, I just want to thank I just crossed the 500 subscribers milestone a few days back, and I just want to thank all the subscribers and who have been supporting me since my the first day when I started making videos on YouTube. And it has been an amazing response so far, like those who are commenting on my videos and asking for more. It really encourages me to do better videos for you, and I'm trying my best, and I need your support like you are supporting me the way you are doing now. So thanks to all of you. And so let's start on today's tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to use eraser tool on Illustrator. So basically it's a quick and fun thing to do. Like if you want a quick shape or something which you want in repetitive form, or if you want to create some quick shapes effortlessly, then eraser tool is a very useful tool for you. So for that I will choose this polygon tool. While pressing Shift and Alt key on Windows, I'm just dragging this just like that, and while pressing the Shift and Alt key together, I'm just dragging it here so that I get a perfect 90-degree angle shape. So just like that. Now what I will do is I will go to eraser tool. So left panel you will see the eraser tool here. The keyboard shortcut is Shift E. So here's the eraser tool, and now I'm going to show you some cool features of eraser tool. So if you click on Alt key and if you drag like that, so it will create a cut here. Okay, just like that. So you can do it anywhere you want, like, and if you want a perfect, you know, like square, then you need to click Shift and Alt key together and just drag it here, so it will make a perfect cut in the middle or wherever you want to do it, just like that. Okay, and now if you click on the Alt, if you click on the Shift key, and if you just bring down the size of the eraser tool a little bit, just like that, and this is the middle of this shape here. So if I start from here and if I drag while Shift, and if I drag while pressing the Shift key, it will just create cut at the middle, just like that. Okay, so you can do anywhere you want. It is a 90-degree angle cut. You can do it 150. You can also do it like a 45-degree angle cut, just like that, or maybe you can do it 180-degree cut as well. So it's according to your choice how you will want it. Okay, so now what I will show you, I will just take like from, so now as you can see they are all different shapes. If you see this one, if you see this one, they're all different shapes. So you can recreate, you can just copy these shapes and you can just recreate them to something interesting according to your choice. Like what I can see is, like, I can get an interesting thing from these shapes actually, like that. So I'm just dragging it here. So I'm not sure what kind of animal is this, but I got something which is like a shape of some animal or something like that. So you can create your own thing like using these things. Suppose like this, if we just use this tool and if we just like click on the Alt key and make a copy of it, okay, and we just need to duplicate the whole thing a few times, then we'll get an interesting shapes like that. So while selecting all of them, I'm just again clicking on the Alt key and dragging it and just hitting the Control D to copy it. So now you can repeat this pattern in a way or something like that. So while using eraser tool, you can actually make it quickly, easily and effortlessly.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please comment in the comment section like what you think about this particular tutorial, and if you have any better suggestion for this kind of things, you can also suggest me that on the comment section. Also check my other tutorials of Photoshop, Illustrator and other design tools to learn it the easiest way. So be happy, be awesome, be positive and be creative. So I will see you in the next video, and till the next time,